everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to share my new Chanel purchase with you guys. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Elle, and I like to share my luxury purchases or my thoughts on luxury, and kind of just share things that I've bought, just because I don't have anybody else to talk to about this stuff. So yeah, I just kind of share it on this channel. So let's open this up. I already opened this and used it, so I guess it's more of a reveal. So let's open it up, and it is this is the Chanel 19 in the size small, and in the color black, and this is in goat skin leather. And let me give you guys kind of show it to you guys. There's the sides. It has a pocket on the back. Oh, it has a mask in it because I used it already. And there's the bottom. And the inside, this is how it's packaged. So I actually purchased this on the secondhand market, or in the used market, from Fashionphile. And the reason that I got it, the reason I was hunting for it and I decided to go the pre-used or the pre-loved or the resale market is that I wanted this bag. One of my friends has this bag in the lambskin, and she also has the bigger version of this bag in like a creamy color, and I think it's cream, or it's more of a beige, and she has it in the goat skin, and then she has the black in a lambskin. And I was kind of talking to her about it, about how I really love this bag and I was thinking about getting it, and she kind of told me her experience with it. And she told me that she really loved the goat skin more than the lambskin. And right now it is, right now they only sell the black version in lambskin. I think they only sell, I don't think they sell it in goat skin anymore, right? So she kind of let me know that she really loved the goat skin more because she felt that it was more durable. So I went over to her house and I felt the leathers, and I kind of was talking to her about it, and I could feel that the goat skin was like, it just feels really, really durable compared to the lambskin. The lambskin didn't feel like overly delicate, but knowing how I want to use this bag and kind of my purpose for buying this bag, I kind of wanted the more durable route. So if I wanted to get goat skin, I definitely had to go the resale market, right? So I am so, I'm all for purchasing off the resale market, if that's an option for you, just because like I love the idea of reusing things and kind of being more using something that other people don't want, and stuff like that. I love the idea of that, but my hesitation with that is that I'm so scared of spending so much money on something that is inauthentic. Just because, like, you know, like I work hard for my money, and it would terrify me if I bought something that was not what I was expecting, right? So I watched a whole bunch of videos about Fashionphile, and I've bought, let me see, I think I've bought I've bought 3 bags off the resale market, and that is because those are all discontinued bags and they're like vintage bags. And I would always get them re-authenticated by like third-party services, just because I am so scared of getting scammed. Like I'm really afraid of that. But I was reading about Fashionphile a lot, and this particular purse came with the box, and it came with a bag, and it came with what is this called? This is like the cloth, and it comes with like, it even came with like the ribbon and all the original packaging. So I didn't know that. I think in the listing it said that it had the dust bag and the box. Just because it came with all the original like packaging, it made me feel a little more comfortable. And it also, knowing that Fashionphile like authenticates it, And I also got this authenticated on a third-party service, and it came with like these tags when I first got it, because if you cut them off, they won't accept the return. So I looked at this and I just love this bag so much, and I cut it off on the first day that I got it. I think they listed it as excellent, and this is very excellent to me. I think they said that it had a few scratches, and I was looking and I do see that there is a scratch right here and a scratch right here, but I think that's about it. Like, the corners look really good to me, and the flap looks really good. I was watching videos to see like where the wear was on these bags, and yeah, it looks pretty good to me, like wear wise. And I am pretty confident that when I bought this and after, you know, taking it home and inspecting it for myself. But yes, I am super excited about this. I do really love this leather. I've had this I've used it twice already, and I got it like a few days ago, so I'm pretty excited about that. I think when I was kind of in the market looking for this, I wanted something that was more casual, that I can wear on a daily basis. Like, I definitely wear my purses, and I don't want to like keep them on my shelves. Like, I buy purses so I can wear them, obviously. But this purse is really fit the bill of what I was looking for as like a daily bag. The size of it is great. Like, this has more than enough space that I usually use on a daily basis, and it's very easy. I love how it has this top handle so that I could just grab it like when it's in the car. Like, sometimes with my other bags that don't have handles, I like pick it up like this and I worry about how it wears. But yeah, I love how it has this handle. It makes it super easy. Originally when this came out, I was hesitant about it because it had the mixed metals. I am not really a mixed metals type of person, and I'm not a silver type of person, and is what I kind of learned, that I can't get over the silver thing. So I think I'm kind of warming up to mixed metals. Yeah, I kind of like my mixed metals if it's like evenly distributed, or if it's mostly gold. But yeah, I'm kind of weird about that stuff. But I think that I really am warming up to this because it kind of gives it like a casual vibe with the mixed metals. And at first I was kind of trying to debate if this was like too big of a logo for me to wear, but who am I kidding? I love my logos. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about it. So far, I love it. It's definitely more durable, and I am less afraid of messing up this leather. Yeah, I really like this this style with dark bags, but it looks really good with white and cream also. I personally like it like that. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how I like it. I really love the leather. It feels really, really squishy and supple, but also durable at the same time. And I feel like if I get little scratches here and there, I think that I'll be kind of more understanding, and it's more forgiving with such a dark leather. And I really like how it's just really easy to use from the couple times that I've used it. Like, you can wear it on your shoulder or cross body, and it has such a big, like, this turn closure is so easy to use, and you can really fit everything that you need plus more. I don't carry too much, but it's nice to have that little extra room. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes after a while, and how I feel about it, and how it wears over time. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. Bye.